Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa negra. First, understand that this dark, smoky sauce gets its unique flavor from dried chilies. We'll be using a simple method that brings out deep, complex notes. You'll need just a few key ingredients, primarily dried chilies, garlic, and onion, along with some oil. The process involves roasting, rehydrating, blending, and then seasoning to perfection. Now, let's get to the heart of the flavor. Begin by dry roasting about 10 to 12 dried chilies in a hot pan for around 2 minutes until they become fragrant. Be careful not to burn them. Once roasted, place these chilies in hot water to rehydrate for 15 minutes. While they soak, roast 4 cloves of garlic and 1/4 of an onion until they are nicely softened and slightly charred, which adds depth. With your chilies rehydrated and aromatics roasted, it's time to blend. Drain the chilies, then combine them with the roasted garlic and onion in your blender. Add about 1/4 cup of neutral oil, which helps create that signature rich, smooth texture. Blend everything until the salsa is completely smooth, ensuring no large pieces remain. This step is crucial for achieving the desired consistency and flavor integration. Your delicious salsa negra is almost ready. If the consistency is too thick, you can add a tablespoon or 2 of water until it reaches your preferred texture. Taste and adjust the salt as needed. This versatile sauce is fantastic with tacos, eggs, grilled meats, or even as a dip. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Enjoy your homemade salsa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.